Test, test. It says it's live. Stream. Sure. Ah, okay. There we go. Test, test. Good. So I think we can get this out of the way. Just stay awake. Your windows. Just don't do it. Good. So yeah, yesterday we did a lot of preparation, installing, and rudimentary coding, just making a window and such. Today, we want to continue with something that we didn't get done yesterday, which was creating or linking against Vulkan on the Windows. And so we already linked against Vulkan on the Linux and the Raspberry Pi as well. But just see where we've been. Yeah, so there we have linked against Vulkan. That's great. So now we're gonna need to do the same thing, and I'm gonna switch over to this Windows machine. So now we sticky install this. Those. This is nice. So it's done. It's done. Are we sure this is whatever you say? No, we don't think we need these. So while Windows is happily installing, yeah, oh, there are some things. Start. Have all that. So I'm gonna add this environment variable. Oh, it has already. Oh, okay. That's nice. So this is there. But being the version that installing also depends engine. Okay. So, but I do think that for proper detection of Vulkan, we need to set the variable there. The Vulkan SDK variable, but I'm not sure. For now, let's see. Is it? Origin. Status. Get. Why can I drag this silly program? So, so want to studio just to be sure. So, so okay, that was easy. Okay. We also have 1.3. Okay, that's good. So we also linked successfully against Vulkan under Windows now. Oh, technically, don't need the Windows version. Boom here. So do touch to do think unzoom is okay. This is the wrong workspace. This is the right workspace. So, Python scripts. So, second, two. Yeah, but this can wait. So we need logging and we need debugging. Let's not forget that. So first and foremost, looks correct. Just thinking, should I deploy? Or should I do the? Okay, maybe speeding up Python. Mathlib, I'm not sure. Oh, not sure. Yeah, that me. Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay, numbed. Ja, das ist nicht ganz okay. Du hast vollkommen recht. Das da ist the thing we want to see. Muss mal gucken, ob ich das hier rausdragen kann. Jawohl. Äh, so. Ja, aber den Rest brauche ich. Jetzt zerbeiße ich's. Ja, der Mario hat ja äh, sich über Python beschwert. I was using the wrong path functions, and I want to improve them a little bit, but not sure that I want to do this now. So I don't. I think we can do this later. It's not that important. Yeah, you should do that. No, because this. I mean, whether we use here shoot heal or I don't know. It's just or here this string concatenation, but I don't care. No, I think logging would probably be a better venue to noob around. So let's open another of these guys here. So some inspiration. They do there. Yeah. Okay. So here we are. There's our main. Yeah. This we don't really want anymore. Okay. File. Save. Look. See. Okay. So how which way around did we do this? Check. Start with an 8. Do this here as well. So should we do it? Um, Mm-hmm. Sure. Oh gosh. Oh well. Oh God, have mercy. Jesus Christ. Well, thank you very much for the raid. TCAP one, TKAP one. Yeah. Oh my gosh, 38 people. Oh, this. Well. So I'm not all that experienced with streaming. So I hope. I hope you still find it somehow entertaining. So thank you very much. Okay. Well, since you're all here, we're just doing some really small testing of SDL3 Vulkan stuff, but Vulkan is still in the future. I mean, we just now linked against the Vulkan libraries, but there's no any not any piece of code that would show something. So, but for the most part, we're trying to implement some sort of debug logging. I know that SDL has a lot of logging functionality, but it's it's not really fitting for the way in which I want to log things. So uh, gotta do our own. Um, yeah. So and I don't know how long it will go today, but you know, we'll happily dabble our way through here. So you have been warned. So righty. So I pass this as well. I think I can. Mhm. So, oh, that's just old habit. There was a time when Pragma once wasn't working. It's just that it happens automatically. it's it's sort of yeah. So I'm not yeah. It's just habit. There is no real deeper reason. It's Python. So, okay, I think I need a little bit more. Should I really do an enum? Okay. I need to do this. Uh, So need this guy here somewhere, and also need the format. I always forget. Can do this. So, think, is it void null? Not sure whether this was like that, I assume. Was it just void? Well, sure. It's definitely should be a knob. So let's see. So we some we want this here. So things can be const too, right? So let's drag this guy over here. Oh, I haven't fully. I basically want to have three streams. So debug, log, and debug info and error. I don't want a whole slew. I'm not. Or is it? Not sure. Yeah. So I'm not. I'm not sure what the. Should not. It's just that you have three streams where stuff should be going. But, see. Ah, just briefly check. Oh, you mean? Ah, you mean this one? Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. You are. That's yeah. Again, that's brain farting. That's correct. Well, thanks for pointing that out. So, ah, so do this. Okay. Alrighty. We need some switch for cryo. Tiny brain. So we've done that as well, but so we think we should should simply so for the time being, we'll still use the SDL log sort of as a backend. So, we have a just now. So can so we can that's always forget. What's this for? Stop. Yes, and it should be this is STD Inc. I believe. CV. Category is always application. Okay. Just I'll do this at first. Oh, let's see. Right. Mm, 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 mm. Funk and the buffer should be should be so then we would have to tweak the actual output. Um This will probably not compile, but we will see. Where are we here? I mean, FSN printf. Yeah, that was probably what I meant. I believe the T is some Windows stuff, but oh, OSN. Okay. Yeah. Silly. Okay. You have to use it. Bug. Okay. Hello. Yeah. You want to root the damn thing. Got this. And the now I know. I know. If def. Okay, let's just do this. Sed log. Oh Jesus, what is that? Need to cheat. Set this somewhere. Set log priority. Set log. What? Should be in here. No? Without the I. Yeah, that's what we want. Not all. Not all. This one. So I think by default, debug is not in the application category. Station. Debug. And we probably only want to do this in not release mode. Yeah. Now we have the thing. This is what we was going for. This is what we wanted. Now we can fill the other parts so that we can, in the output log, we obviously want to find, so we want to know where did the line that logged came from. This is why I want to fiddle all this stuff in here. So we do this for So just as that Windows has an underscore no op. I think this is horrible. This needs to go. This comes from somewhere else, I suppose. Yeah, this. Okay, this is the trick stuff. It's the. Ah, we haven't done there. Okay. Oh, yeah, so what? We live. Not sure whether I should do 3 of these switches or just in one go. Info log. So 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 oh, why not? And last but not least, arrow log as well. So okay. Was log. And see. Hmm. So obviously this is not good. We also this can be shortened. Hmm, see. Hmm, see. So we to so let's take it. Joint. Let's just do this. Doesn't matter. So, oh, it's already 0. Okay, I didn't need that. Okay. And should we do? Mm, mm, Why? Ah, oh no, that's okay. PJ. Well, no regrets. Um, so either I did it horribly wrong, and I probably did. So that's too many S's in one go. Okay, this is I do +1. Let's do this. It. So, oh, I'll come back. So this is also horrible. Info and debug are not truly aligned. So we need. Oh, Jesus, can we do this here? Sure. F and debug. Ching. So maybe. Ah, okay. Yeah, I can. I'm prepared. So I'm not sure. Let me just briefly check. Wait, I had this freaking ELISA program here somewhere. Where is it? Uh, I have some. I don't know why there's so many in there, but I'm not sure. Let me. This is probably going to kill the stream. Well, yeah, but the autoplay wasn't randomized. I mean, I think I found it at some point, but it wasn't. Was just really going through the list, and if the 14th remix of a certain Amiga song isn't, it's at some point, it's not. But let me just. Well, not really bad. It's just check. Oh, this is desktop capture. I hope this is. Oh my God! Let's make this not too loud. I don't even know what this is. Should I be hearing something? Don't hear anything on my end. So... Okay. That's odd. Why can't I hear it? Wait a minute. Maybe? Oh? That's weird. Well, as long as it appears on stream for you, that's fine. Okay. Okay. Well, so I have to copy at some point. As I said, I've been collecting mod files since ever, and I still have them on original Amiga disk somewhere. I doubt that the disk will work, but I also, and I have literally thousands of them, thousands, hundreds of thousands, but they're all on some CD somewhere, and I don't know whether they can even be ripped properly. It's just, and these are original Amiga mods, but yeah, we will see. We will see how far. Nice. Why is this 100 times Eye of the Beholder? That nobody wants that this often. Oh, he's serious about it. Oh, no. Oh, fuck it. So, sorry. Screwed it up. Wow, yeah. I mean, yeah, I know. I mean, you you outed yourself yesterday as actually being able to create music and being a composer and whatnot. So, so yeah, but no, I'm only listening to it. Really doing something. Yeah, that's a good idea. That is a really good idea. Toggle shuffle, shuffle. Don't repeat tracks. Okay. But it's nice that. But now I don't know, is it shuffle? Does it shuffle or does it not? Okay, I presume that this now means that it's shuffling. Okay, I hope so. And so Python out of the way. So okay, let's first make some. Oh, could be static. Come all at once. MT info. MT debug. No. I mean, SDL had logging since ever, I believe. I'm only have ever used the sort of the windowing stuff of SDL. I've never really looked properly into the other things. But no, the logging technically is a-okay, I would say. But yeah, you can probably just ignore it. I mean, if you have I mean, any other logging facility is probably fine. If you already have them, have something going, then I don't think that's just... But what I want to do later is obviously also log this into an actual log file, and so I have it. I mean, I don't know why, but when you create a default SDL project under Windows, it also logs into the console. But technically, Windows applications don't even have a console if you use the actual WinMain. So I have to dig into this, why it is doing this, but it comes at a later point. So. Yeah, exactly. That's what I stumbled over as well. I think this is new in SDL3. The stuff here. SDL, I think it's called file system. No, it's file. No, it's file system. I believe it's file system. And let me just, there. And it has some neat functions. I mean, the get base path, of course, this is old as time, but I believe what is new is this preference path, and there, so you can see you get all sorts of stuff out of there, also writable positions. So if you ever, you know, I wouldn't even know where you find a writable position, let's just say on a Nintendo or so. You know, can you write back onto a Nintendo Switch? I presume, but yeah. So, but yeah, depending on it's practically the registry path. What would be under Windows, you know, organization and application. What would be an HKey current user under Windows? This is sort of what you then have here, but in a platform, in a multi-platform manner. And this is pretty neat that they did that. And while this path here is always, I think it is, it will be created. But if you use this stuff here, this belongs to the function sh folder, I think here user folder, they might technically not exist. When I tried this in another project just for fun, and I used something like folder saved games, and under Linux you just, it's an empty thing. Yeah, I believe, I mean, under Windows, the stuff is just whether, I think when you pass _console to the compiler, I think even the linker at some point will catch up on that, and then you get a command line application or something like that. I think you have to be very explicit, sort of the type of application you want to make, but yeah, but that's I mean, I don't mind having a console window open on Windows as well. I mean, just it sometimes feels a little weird when you... So let's see whether we had some issues in here. Wait, this is not the console I was looking for. It's my... Ah, there we go. Yeah, I also think that yeah, I also guess that this is somehow NDA'd away, and I have never seen a Nintendo Switch development kit from, you know, from close up, so I wouldn't know. I mean, I know somebody that has, but I need to ask him at some point how this is being handled. But Okay, so but this isn't really. So I believe when we add stuff like this, just to cheat our way through here, will we then? Ah, yeah. Now this is way better. So neatly aligned. So, and what happens if we disable? Just say we move this. And this is gone. This is this one app. I just want to briefly check what the pre-processed output of this would look like. So let's copy this. And -E. Ah, okay. Probably should be in those. Let's just. Okay, I think this is what we wanted to have. Great. So now that we did a little bit of logging, our way through this. I think we could also maybe log the current thread. I mean, not that we will be having a lot of threads anytime in the future, but it can't hurt. So we would then need to, oh, we forgot something important. We obviously want a timestamp, but we only need some to B, some to B, and okay. I think this is an actual size T, I believe. Well, that will be oh, I forgot. How does this SDL? I know what. We just, since we're using this, we'll do that, and we just probably at some point we have to rather have a thread index than the thread ID, because the value is so large that it will mock up the whole output. So hello. So do we have that? So, I should also at some point have an actual build script and not rebuild all the time. Oh yeah, that's what I was afraid of. All right. I'm convinced. Huh? I'm such an idiot, of course. La la la. Yeah. Still could get shortened. Just something that, you know. Yeah, something that would doesn't. I'm full of pizza. Oh, that's good. Yeah. I mean, you can always sneak peek and take a look at CGLM or something like that. They have dozens of perspective cameras. And let's see. So is it 860? Let's start a new. No, I already have time. Do you recommend to yoink? No, from CGLM. I mean, if you, I think there's a lot of, if you mean that matrix, especially the camera stuff. So sort of at least let oneself inspired to. Should be here somewhere. BPL, I haven't even checked. Okay, this is just the installation. Let me see here. Source, camera. I mean, not sure where is it. Project, I'm not finding it. There should be something here. Yeah, it's sort of this GLM math. So I think it's GLM, but this is sort of this is C++, but it's sort of a lot of the mathematical functions within OpenGL and the OpenGL rendering sort of stack, like, you know, with the old school push and pop matrix and all this kind of stuff. And this is sort of the implementation of a lot of these OpenGL functions, but it's also pretty optimized in a way. But so, and of course the original is a C++ library, but it's also a header-only library. You can't, you know, if you utilize C++ anyway, it's pretty neat. And also, in case if you have an Intel compiler or something like that, or some other compilers, it really does take advantage of sort of SMID and all these other further, you know, more highly optimized code paths in there. And of course, this is the original GL math, and I want to say that they. I'm not finding. There is, I want to say there is a website really that also explains a lot of the mathematical functions, including sort of camera stuff and all, but I'm not finding it here. This is only the GitHub version. But no, but again, the original is sort of GLM, but some hero made a C version of that. And so yeah, a lot of the functions are then, you know, you more or less have the same functions, but it's not like you know, what can be done in C++ with a namespace, you can obviously can't do that in C. So it's a lot of prefixed with C, GLM, or like, you know, instead of GLM mat4, you would have to just write mat4 or something like that. It's just Pinball? Oh yeah, that's Pinball remix, if you mean that. Oh yeah, there could be. It's demos as well, of course. I mean, oh you I don't know whether this is already the randomized order. Echoing, if you mean that. That's, yeah, that was it's a really a remake of a really old school demo. Oh, I love this demo. Oh yeah, the pinball is of course also great. I mean, this was I think they did a lot of other stuff as well. Pinball, what was this? Sorry. Was it Pinball Illusions? Was it? No, this is. Oh, no. I want to say that the. Oh, Jesus. Forgetting, probably. Oh, can we have something that we don't get copyright striked for? Yeah. Yeah, I mean the raw processing power of a 486 compared to an Amiga. I mean, if you have some sort of screen tracker or something like that, and you can just, I don't know, have 64 channels with God knows tremendous sort of sample. You know, you could do 16-bit sampling. If you were the proud owner of a Gravis Ultrasound, then PC wasn't too bad for demoing, but this is all long ago. Yeah, these. I want to say the. Yeah, I mean, on PC, definitely. I mean, it's... yeah, but it's... if you realize for the first time, oh, you don't have to do blitting and other stuff, you just copy, you just do a mem copy the entire screen, and if you have fast enough video RAM, then you're good. If not, well, that's your game wasn't good then. But yeah, if you had a sort of the right graphics card, yeah, then so this is kind of, I want to say that this is not. Ugh, this looks like rust. Oh, that. Is it Italian? This is all wrapped. Where's the actual code? It is here in here somewhere. So, getting inspired by this can. I mean, there's also, of course, Wikipedia and all other stuff that you can look up. Projection matrices and stuff like this. What's this? Oh, it's still pinball. So, but let's do this. Oh yeah, we wanted to get this performance counter. Great. We need this here as well. Stay. Oh, what was it? Ah, yeah. Performance counter. Am I doing this right? I'm doing this absolutely wrong. So, that's not good. Ah, yeah. Oh, I have to check a little bit. Do they have... How do I... there are presets for 64-bit types for these format descriptions. And... I know that they should exist for size T. So, but I'm not... I know that they exist. Exist here somewhere. Let me SDL. It's not. Shit. So, I'm puzzled. Let's ask the Google machine. 16. Oh, Jesus. I want to say it was this. The pre-size T. Print F. Do we have something? Yeah, this is what I want, but this is... I want to say that this comes with STD to begin with. Yeah, it's definitely here in somewhere. Is it so? He makes this. This can't be the only source of that. Really? This has to be... Because the Raspberry Pi will not like this one bit when I just do LU. So... send... Oh. Yeah, that definitely. I just want to know how long they get, and they will be clamped. And these are, I believe, nanoseconds to begin with. So wait, it's not UINT64? Or is it UINT? Is it like that? I always forget the types of the SDL. No? I'm sorry. This is... I think this was UINT64. UINT64. This is migration. This is not what we want. Has to be somewhere. So first of all, this... okay. Shit. Now I know. Oh, yeah. I don't really want that type here, so I was wondering when it will show up the first time. Have that here. Okay. Then I won't be using the SDL. I mean, they're technically the same. It's not... Oh, you know, for the time being, I'm gonna use the horrible one. Should be left like that anyway. Oh. Oh yeah, I can see it all your way. Okay. I think we can maybe do something like this, but we need some more output. So we're gonna generate some. There was an update function here somewhere. There. Oh. Okay, these things get pretty big soon. Okay. So we have some thread ID, we have some idea. When things happened. Just see the progression here somewhere. Can't interrupt fast enough. Just stop it. So already 8. Maybe 12 is a good thing. 12 or 14. Okay. So now we have an idea when things happened. I don't think that we need a PID because there's only, I mean, we won't be calling any other executables, so putting a PID in there is kind of silly. Okay. So we know the function name and we know this. Alrighty. I think this Eye of the Beholder is in here 400 million times, and I don't know why. The song exists only once. And holy shit, why is it doing this? Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah, okay. You're right. Maybe 14 is better, but probably even 16. So we could do the very horrible thing and now try to make this into a log file. Because I have not found polluting. It's fine. No. Yeah, but I haven't done anything with that. It's very strange. Eliza at some point has problems. I mean, there is no media, music. So I think they are. Ah, yeah. So okay, let me just check. Folder? Is it? Yeah. Oh, and it's just. Yeah. Okay, that's all there is in here. So why Eliza thinks that just only the KDE people know that. So should we be doing things? So we have the timing. Log file. Log file gets immediately ugly, but to hell with it. Another pair of global variable. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Should we? Yeah, maybe we should hijack this. I need to kind of look up still how this is done. There's new functions for this SDL get log. Yeah. Not the migration stuff, please. Oh, also not that. There, that's what we want. Yeah. But before we do that, we could get the file system stuff out of the way so that we know a location where we can even store the stupid log file. I think that's better. So, it's the... No, so, app. Base path. Hey. References path. We also want to do this very early on. Get base path. So, and this is in file system. I think this was get ref path, but it so and maybe don't really want to do a lot of error checking right now. So Jesus, what am I doing? So. But now we need an organization name. Oh, we have this one already, so work name test, and one was product. Hey, the product. Was it product? Oh, let's just check. SDL. Well, it wasn't log, it was file system. There we go. It have exactly app. Well, Jesus. It's this, and then we can get rid of that. Window. How did I get here? Okay. I could have sworn I was typing somewhere else. No. But one more logging thing. Oh God, how did I do that? Go. Log. Yep. This command space should be A. No, A, comma 8. Like this. Finds if this is what is it? This is 164 for now. Fine. Up. Hey. I think I remember correctly. I think this they have something like this. In 13. Nope. Yeah, that's not. So. So we have this. String. Well, I think the this stuff here, the void 0, I think when you utilize the highest warning level on Windows, it actually will create a compiler warning, I think. Yeah, and the reason, of course, is you want to definitely make sure that no instruction is actually in the binary code there. So it's just to really make sure that the stuff is, that the compiler more or less never ever sees it. Yeah. As I said, and I think Windows has a sort of a built-in command for that. My guess is the GCC has as well. Maybe I've never actually looked. GCC, is there a built-in no op? What is a portable way? Let's just see. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. I don't know. I've been used to using these two, but it. Okay, that's the way to go. But then you're making an actual knob. You don't want to do that. So, yeah, there's a. Yeah. It doesn't look that there is a built-in knob for GCC, so. Oh well, we live with the one that we have. No problem. So, now you're gonna wanna see this guy here. If I do it. Well, I'm a beginner as well, but no, but printf and it's. I mean, technically, these things aren't these transporting. Where do we have them? These var arcs. This requires some weird C standard in the background. That's. But I always steal from the best. So, but if you kind of look how the SDL is doing this, I mean, they have a clever mechanism for this. I think they also do it in their assertion. But let me just check. Assert. Although in the assertion, they have this even conditional in a way that you can compile it in, but it doesn't do anything, but then you can later enable it and then whatnot. I haven't, yeah, but I want to see what is their else path here. I'm not sure. But no, there is this not. Where is it in log? Look. I think they have, yeah, they have special variadic defines here, and that is also because platform stuff. It's I mean, these parsing these or using this VA start and VA end, like this stuff here. This is kind of tricky business on ARM. So you have to really look what the preprocessor does there and sort of think long and hard about this. But so I'm trying to mostly stay within the realm of the SDL itself. But VA star, I mean, as long as one isn't doing anything complicated. Yeah, the pixels. Yeah, that's awkward. And if you change the settings and then you realize, oh wait, this is, you know, this is, sometimes it, you know, it looks really weird when you do test screenshots. Well, the Raspberry Pi is an ARM, it's an ARM 32-bit system, and I'm pretty sure that this stuff probably won't compile, but and I want to see what ARM says towards these things later, but we will see. I mean, it should work, but yeah. Hey, I wanted to see what was the output here. Oh, don't wait a minute. I need to get this update out again. Otherwise, we're never ever seeing anything. Create app. Bye. Yeah, I believe so. I mean, I have just even trying to utilize something like the Android Studio and whatever this is, but I just kind of gave up. I didn't, you know, an empty Android project looked like a nightmare from somewhere. I mean, it's so far removed from Hello World, where okay, you have a C file, you write stuff in, and things happen. And it's just, God knows the gazillion files that you need, and it's. I immediately, I quickly gave up on that. It's just. But why am I not? Oh yeah, and the reason I'm not seeing it is because I'm an idiot. Jesus. That is good. Go, and maybe we should do this right here. So, do we see something here? Oh yeah, there's a path. Let's see what we have here. Does seem to exist, which is neat. Ha! There's already a log file here, but That's from some other project. That's not good. What is in here? Oh, you see? That's bad. Go away. No longer to be seen. Oh, okay. So now we have this. Yeah. Oh yeah, Jesus. That, if it weren't for, VR is great, but glasses with glasses is just, it gives me nightmares. I have, for PlayStation 4, I have the, sort of this headset, but I tested it just once and never used it afterwards, because again, when you wear glasses, none of these things make any sense for, it's just that they have to somehow have this thing in such high resolution that you no longer need to wear your glasses, that you can sort of get sort of change some settings, and it's distorting the picture so that it looks okay for you. And if you do this adapter glasses in there, the adapter lenses, then you need a bucket where you can vomit in after a couple of minutes. So I do love this, but it's almost impossible to endure. At least for me, I mean, yeah. So, but now is there a way to check if this actually... Yeah, I also, sometimes when you play or something, I always fear that the glasses of the VR headset are touching sort of the other glasses, and depending on how you, how they're fitting, and yeah. I want a plug. Direct sensory input. But that will be bad. So, but is there a way that we can check? I mean, so far I've only seen this path to actually exist and being accessible, but I don't know if we have the means to check for that. But we can also do this later. Right now, we just presume that it's there. Log output function. No. Okay. Really? Also the old for PS4? That can be used on a PC? Okay. I have to check that. I played Trials Fusion with it on the PS4 itself. I mean, it's not made for being a sort of PSVR, but it was kind of funny. Okay. Well, I have to at some point fiddle with this a little bit, but yeah. Oh yeah, this is the function. I think we can. Yeah, let's take all of these beauties here. Get going. So. Set. Log out. I don't think we need to assert right now. This is not good. So this is definitely a function that we may need later. Yeah, but this here, okay. I think it's to be static. So, so data. So, the O stream. I believe it's Steam. I want to say it's called IO stream. Yeah. Yep. There's one more. So you need this? No. Attention. So then log full name. Log of this. Okay. So we have these pretties. And now so currently table nobody did one before that. Yeah. This should be shuffling. I also think it's not all of, I mean, the list is so small, but when now even the Amiga Remix folder is much bigger. It's about 800 files. These are not 800 files. It's just, I don't know. It's, the KDE is a weird people. I think it chokes probably on one of them and then refuses to continue. Yeah. Let me check. So how do we... Bam? Figure ISA. Okay. So let's not... Maybe he's just simply doesn't like all of the music. NT. Just use Amiga Remix. Okay. And scan. Scan. 0 tracks? Are we sure? So, okay, the playlist was empty. Okay, so how do I add all the tracks, files? I pretty much I downloaded at some point in time. I downloaded everything from Amiga Remix. It's just yeah. I mean, it could be that there is some EBM as well. I mean, there's. How can I? Why can't I? The moment I click, and now it looks a lot better. I'm not sure whether these are 800, but at least it feels like a little more. Did it reset the shuffle? I don't know. But then there's still... Okay, but maybe there are duplicates in here. Yeah, and now it's Hubris that is in here 400,000. So, this is usually, I mean, no, but what is it there? Oh, these are all MP3s, but technically, maybe there shouldn't be anything in here. No, this folder is completely empty. I don't know where the KDE people get this stuff from, but it's just... So... Oh yeah, you can see that. Just... At some point I downloaded them. 2012. Oh, great. Did he really say that it is... How many? Yeah, I mean... Okay. Can I click on this? Ah, this is show current. 2005, I don't know. It's... Well, I'm in Germany, and I'm also from Germany. it's located in Darmstadt. It's near Frankfurt. Oh yeah, a little. It's late. It's Friday, and I mean, it's not that late. So, oh, Unit A. Oh yeah, that brings back memories. Just so I believe SDL3 open. No. There it was. IO on. Oh, but we don't have a file yet, so oh, should we really do this? P, I believe. Ref. Oh, and just some basic paranoia. Should of course never happen. Cut. File. It. Full name. This goes in here. Keep this down. Yeah, let's see. Why not? We have to at some point also get rid of the SDL assert and run our own. But yeah, they did the cheesy thing. They wrapped everything. If you, it's just a define to regular string copy. I believe it's I think it's in here somewhere. If I ever, old names, no. STD Inc. Yeah. You can see here's at some, yeah, here are the prefixes that I was saying. Okay, pre-S. Okay. Oh, okay. Then I will use this. Yeah, that's great. Okay, so it's an STD Inc. And now, at some point here, it's just Okay. I could have sworn that these were defines. I mean, this thing is still under development, so these were defines at some point. Okay. Yeah, okay. Here is a battery. Okay, okay, depending on platform, of course, they may be defines or not. But, so... And of course, if we're not having a log file, we don't care. And while we're at it, so all the file. Oh yeah, but also we technically is an int. Presume that it. Oh, that's nice. 0 on success. Okay. Don't want error handling right now, but let's assert. Oh, maybe we assert here. So we keep the stupid file open, create it, and we don't return value. So we also technically don't need to return value here. Okay. Let's better with. So. To be a little bit careful when we initialize these things, but 8 log file. Hey, I believe we have a lowercase true as well. So. Party bar. So right now we should just have a file, and let's see. Yeah. Alles macht er falsch. Strill copy. Okay. Oh, copy. That's probably there as well. Oh, this card's con. Oh yeah. Okay. Sorry. Jesus. Right. Do I have my unused? No. Unused. It is that, if I'm not mistaken. Hello. Oh, there we go. Message. Defined but not used. Yeah, soon. Soonish we will use it. Again. So create log file and didn't assert anything, so we can just assume there is something there. No, of course not. I mean, I just want to, you know, I explicitly enabled sort of the stuff with pedantic. I believe this is enabled, but I don't think it's bad. I would also normally do this, but I just thought, hey, you know, when you enable all this pedantic stuff, then, well, you know, I also wanted to have a project that really doesn't show, no, that it shouldn't show any warnings on the highest warning level. It's, as I said, it's more like for fun. Normally, I would also just simply disable that, but no, it's also kind of, I mean, it's kind of a silly warning. Is it still that way? Because I mean, yeah, but I use for Windows I use warning level 4. So yeah, that's also what yeah, okay. I didn't know. Does Windows now have W all? I wasn't even aware of that. So it's a long time since I did native Windows coding. 832. Oh no, the thing is called CL though, right? The all? Is it? Oh yeah, it has a W. Cool. I didn't know that. What's this? Wait a second. Let's just wake up the Windows GIMP here. Just do something. Ah, yeah, there we are. Let's see where this goes. So here we have Windows, and I think we should have SDL3. Oh, it's in German. I hate this so much. Okay. Oh, it's really, there is truly a W. I somehow thought that this is that W4 here is all you can get. Okay. So, let's see. Now this is. There you go. Oh yeah, okay. Spectra. Oh god, this is all in German. Why do you do this? Okay, so Windows W all is a little bit more picky than the Linux one, I suppose. Although, or is this an old? Wait a minute. Is this old? Because I think we had something similar yesterday where I didn't have a default handler. No, but this isn't. These all have default handlers. That shouldn't complain. Okay, yeah, but that's definitely good. I will definitely look into that. That's great. So, keyboard for. Oh, okay. Cool. I didn't know that Windows had W from. Oh, okay. We can hope. Wait a minute. Should I do this? I drain the source a little. Maybe this. I can also do this here. Hope this even so it should be. Ah, okay, that's good. Oh, holy shit. It's. I would probably have to go outside to look at the northern lights. Are they really there? I mean, sure. I can't, I would have to go outside too. We can't exist outside. So, yeah, but this is definitely a good thing that I will look into this. That's great. So, you learn something every day. Oh. Oh, didn't know. Oh. Oh yeah, but we wanted to sort of check. Oh yeah, there is a file and it's 0 bytes. Well, I don't know. I mean, Chomi mentioned that he can see some, and yeah, it's just I understand. The lights a bit is to come. Yeah, of course. Yeah. Oops. Can we? That's all way in here. Oh, what? Ah, there. Oh, okay, it's 0 bytes. That's good. We wanna do this. Yeah. Give us some. Oh, created the file. Oh yeah, now it's time that we set these guys up here. Oh yeah. Wait a minute. Where was the function? Create log file. Here we go. There we go. So let's first get the default. Should be this guy. Default log file function. Oh, I did something. Oh. Default log function user date. Now we will be seeking our own. Of course. Ah, what did I do here? That's not good. So. We make these static. Static. So, and we don't currently anything here. Wait, so when you said you're still full of pizza, you meant pizza in Rome. So like real pizza, not all this other pizza-like objects that you get everywhere else in the world. Ah, yeah, that's cool. I dabble in creating stromboli, but it's always, I mean, in the end, I just use a rolling pin and roll it, and but so I am. So. So we set this. It's okay. Can get rid of this. Okay, now we didn't know that I had to add this. Okay. Category authority. Okay, that makes this kind of thing obsolete. Good. Technically, of course, to check for this kind of stuff. No, what am I doing here? So we log to the default, and now we have to should we do the static? Oh yeah, we're gonna use a mutex later. So so it is static. We can use this. I think we need to okay. I think you want to keep the log file in sync with what's printed on the console or in the console. So but we don't need this. No, we don't need this. Get this as message. I forgot. Of course. Of course. Forgot. I see. Now we need to map the. Well, let's see it all your way. Is it still open? No. So gonna map these guys. Fuck it. So one error is the same and critical as well. So going through here. Info. Not that we don't need any of this. Do then is still need to mimic was in like that. Bug. So and SDL P bug. So sleep. No. It's for error. Now we're gonna use the actual message. And off. Hold on. T. So, and now did we check whether our log file exists? If we don't have a log file, obviously stop it. Oh gee, IO right? Not right? Right IO? Right. IO. Off. Just to be sure. Just one. Okay. Technically. Okay. Still. Maybe, but of our log output function. This, okay. Let's see. Oh, sorry. Not handled in the switch. Yes, I know. Jeez, pedantic bastard. Default. Technically. I do. There should not be anything in here. So if we don't have any of that, I think we should return here. Probably not good. Yeah. Look. No, I think one is better. Though it's kind of hidden in here. Don't really like that, but well, we will see. Okay, there is something currently missing. Missing a space? Space is not the problem. This is one. Okay. What's this? Is this in here? I thought we shortened these dudes. Something missing. Hit the assertion. Set this. What's the thing? Oh, it's the right size. Something off. Does this come from? It's definitely stuff written in the log file, but doesn't look right. So we so, I see. Our check does something. Okay. Our check does not use our own logging functions. It's not really a big issue. Oh, that's okay. That definitely explains the other output. Okay, then I think we're because the native SDL logs, they don't have sort of this type of where you see the time and the thread and the file name like this. Okay, so that makes sense. So maybe it isn't wrong. It's just that I need to get rid of a lot of SDL logs. It's the hello world. Fine. Okay. Debug. Now just info. So, all right. Bug error info is missing. Did we do something bad? No, we didn't give a rat's ass about the category. Is it? The message. Category. It is info. Oh, diese Szene wird nie wieder gezogen. Oh, Jesus. So. Now we're cooking. Okay. So now we have our own logging, and it logs into a file if we want to. So that's good. So. Okay, so okily dokily. For the time being, we just leave it on. So that we have a, oh yeah, oh there's something missing. Oh yeah, there's something important still missing. And of course, right now, multi-threading, even though we don't have it right now, but the moment we would have it, we would be totally screwed. So just do this SDL3. Do it like this. I can see. Jesus, I curse my autism. It's just. So, 8 long. Search V1 mutex, please. Create mutex. So even if we can't get a mutex or something like that, then we just don't care. Then the output is simply garbled. Yeah, one would, right? It's fashion. So these are all static. So we can still do an assert. The next, so, but we still guard it as well. Might as well. So SDL mark mutex. So, whoop-de-doo. I presume it's unlocked. Yeah. So now we should be able to hit it with different threads and still have the log output to be one line after another. What? Oh, you're right. Ha! Gut aufgepasst. Very well. That's not good. Yeah, I knew I'm doing something wrong here. This is bad. I need to let me I know it's silly, but now we can simply break. And wrap this in here. Right. Yeah, every single one of these assertions would obviously also, make the mutex somewhat unhappy. But in this case, we're unhappy anyway, so. But it still seems to work. I mean, we only have one thread, and I don't know how. I mean, I know that SDL can create threads, but I just don't think it's something we want to do right now. So, okay. I don't think we need these anymore. Get this away. And this. Oh, and while we're at it, might as well. Max. Oh, it's only nice. It's still working. Good. Okay. I think we could now let's see. No. Sorry. Wish I could somehow limit the search in just my files, but okay. We're doing it old school. SDL log. Bug. Oh. Skip. Onk onk. Okay, here I don't know whether we. Yeah, I only currently even only use the actual file name, but yeah, having a broader relative path, so project relative would probably be a better idea. Now these things need to persist. Okay. There's nothing. Rest is not. No. Oof. Oh yeah, great. Replace with typo. What am I doing? So, all the so. Yeah, you mean the this guy here, the base path, or you mean but I'm not sure if this is okay. This should this still be here? Ah, okay. Ah, okay. This is okay. I definitely need to. Okay, this is not good here because instead of calling this, I need to call this. This is not good. This. How do I get the expression in? Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Yeah. Bye bye. Sleep well. I will do that soon also. So. This is bad. This is horribly bad. How do I get this? I can only get this, but no, of course, I'm an idiot. Of course. I can. Do this. I use the result, the expression first. Here. There is a priority somewhere in here. 2. File. So file function. This is pre-debug. The rest is the format string. So I have to check up on this. Yeah. But, I'm such an idiot. Sorry. Should I? It goes like this. Now I think we're cooking. This can't be right. Well, check. Okay, but is this correct? 351. Yeah. So I think I okay. But if this fails, build no. This one. Pretty much same. Yeah. T. So what if we... Let's see. We call stat. Doesn't exist. T. So so what's this one? Isn't known. That's correct. Good. Stat. Oh, get error. Sorry. Mm-hmm. Start fail. I don't know. It's 2. Wasn't there? Isn't there some string? I don't know, or something? A string. Okay. Oh, that there's a... There's a graphical thing. Just you get a string instead of the number. I say it's... There's all the browser. Oh, oh well. Yay, now ADE is hanging stream again. That's great. Again. This is what we want. Okay, maybe. I click on something? No. ADE has me in its vice grip. It's not good. I don't know why it's still drawing these things, but say it's called str error. Yeah, exactly. But I can't click. Jesus. What's it doing? Don't be that guy. Simply doesn't allow me to leave this kind of preview mode. Yeah. Thank you, Plasma Shell. Yeah, send an automatic report. Please do so. Oh. Oh, yeah. At least we could somehow save it. So, str error. Where are we? Ugh. Since string.h. Okay. Let's do this. Oh, this is a little bit too hefty. So, C. Check. Hell no. Str error. C. Start failed. No such file or directory. That's exactly what we want. We get the actual result. We get the expression. We see that it failed. No. Okay. So what does it look like if it doesn't fail? Start. That's what we wanted to see. So we can get rid of this. Oh yeah, and of course I want to check. What's the output look like? Oh. I see. Need to do something there, but maybe later. Ah, Jesus. Huh. So there is a hello world. It is not going through our logging. That thing has to die. That is this one. So we can detect, we can check, we log when it's checked. And when we disable the checking here, then well, no shit, Sherlock. So statement. Yeah, I know. Okay, now our stat is missing. That's okay. But for now, we keep them enabled. Yeah. So don't. Not sure if this is. Doesn't matter. I believe Windows has these too, so should be. This technically doesn't belong there. We should move them into a different C file later. So, application can remove this as well. Yeah. Still need to make one more test. Disabled. Obviously, we still want to see stat fail. Exactly. That's also in the log file. Exactly. So even we're not checking, we should check the pre-compiled, the pre-processed output again. Oh, wait. Okay. So when the check is not there, we see that it does the right. It's not 0, then we get output. Okay. Maybe enable it again. then we see our function call. Good, good, good. So we can, obviously, a silly business can be away with. Right. So we might maybe I should move these checks into, they don't belong here really. So save log page. See. So, now we can split. Oh, wait. So what I'm not sure is finish this today. So we definitely have struct. What do we do with this? Debug term. No. Voice. It's better. And of course, function 2. So oh yeah. Others what? In and should we use this? Okay. Steve. No, let's. key. Begin info. So. Now, so wait. And time block. Okay. Table. Jesus. You only gone in. So yeah, a hero. So, oh la la. Flow. I. So. Mm. Mm. So, what are we doing there? So, keeping this. We can do this. Okay, yeah, we need quite a few of those, but okay. I did it wrong. And sleep. See. Info, maybe. What am I doing? Hello. This. This is new. Oh. I'm not seeing this. Debug counter. In time. Stupid again. So. This. Of begin time. So. So. I need to research this a little more. Have some similar code already, and info. So in reality, of course, we need to look this up. I think no, not again. What is it doing? Oh, Jesus Christ. ADE. Not again. Come on. Yeah, this is going a little bit. This is getting. This needs to be. This needs to be thought of differently. Can still leave it here. This is not. No. Come on. That guy. So. Changed. Debug compiles. Yeah, but we need to investigate this at a later time. Git status. Okay. So let's see. Let's see. Page. Let's see. Page. Okay. Now. Okay. Voodoo. Okay. Okay. See, that thing is no longer. It. Head. Able. File. Okay. It. Eight. Oh, Jesus.